Hello again. In this lecture we will just start work on the PHP script for this change password or update password page. Here we have created the HTML form for it, and now after the HTML form we'll simply do some PHP work. Start a PHP block over here, and first of all we will just include the database from the includes folder where we have a page db.php. That's it. And after that we will simply use if statement. If is set dollar underscore get dollar underscore post, and if this change underscore password pass this name or this element is active. So after that we can write PHP inside its two curly brackets. First of all we will get the old password. We'll create three variables, local variables. One will be current underscore pass, which will be is equal to dollar underscore post, and we'll get that from the current underscore pass field, text field we have given above. And the next one will be new underscore pass, which will be equal to the same dollar underscore post, and we'll get that from the new underscore pass field. After that, new underscore again a new another variable, local variable, that will be equal to post, and we'll say new pass underscore again. That's it. We have taken all three values from these input types. So now we can just check out them whether we have the password or not. So first thing is, first CL pass, we'll create a CL SEL underscore pass select pass, local variable inside which we will save one SQL query. We'll say select from customers where customer underscore password is equal to this password, current pass. And we have also to address the also to take the IP address. No, sorry, we have to take the create a user variable, and we will say dollar underscore session, and inside session we will take customer underscore email. That's it. And now we will say int customer underscore email is equal to this email, the user, which email we have got inside this local user variable using session array. Now to this we will simply, first of all we can simply add required attribute to all of the input fields. So this is basically validation. If the customer does not enter anything or leave them empty, so it cannot be empty. Now we'll say run underscore pass, another variable inside which we will run a query, MySQL underscore query connection, and then this variable is an example reference select pass, and we'll say if check underscore pass is equal to MySQL I number and rows, that one, run underscore pass. After this we'll say if check pass is equal to 0, then we'll simply echo a message echo the JavaScript, set the JavaScript starting and ending tag, and inside that we will add an alert that we will write your current password is wrong. That's it. And we'll use another if statement. If new password is not equal to, for not equal we add this exclamation sign, and after that the equal sign. If this is not equal to new again, if this is not equal to new again, then let's say this, will copy this whole echo thing, we'll paste it here, and we'll say new password do not match, and in else condition, else statement will finally do something. We'll just say update underscore pass, which will be equal to, we'll write a query update customers, set customer underscore pass to this one, which is coming, I mean new pass. Okay, we can actually add exit command over here and also here. Exit mean the rest of the code will not be executed. Otherwise, if you do not add this exit, then sometimes the rest of the codes can also be executed, so we don't want that. And we are now update customer, set customer underscore pass to this new one, which is coming through the input field, where customer underscore email is equal to this one, I mean user, which we have already created this here session. And also we need to start session, the start of the page, the start of the PHP. I think session have already been started in this page, my account. We can check. Yes, session is start there, so therefore we don't need it to start again. I mean this page is basically included inside this my account. You can see it here. We have included this page, change underscore pass.php. So that's it. We need to now run this query, run underscore update is equal to MySQL underscore query, and after that connection, and update pass is the reference variable that will be executed, and we will echo simply, you can just copy this thing and paste it here. We'll say your password was updated successfully. That's it. And we can also redirect the person to, I mean again to another page, my account, the main page, window.open, and we'll write self and my underscore account.php. That's it, and all done. I can give you an overview that first of all we created a simple HTML form inside which we have added some inputs inside the table tag, and we have given them name, current pass, new password again, so we can get the data from these input tags, and we have saved the data inside the local variables, and after that we have checked out whether we have the password with us or not. And also we have double checked the the new password and new password again as well. And in last point, else condition, we have just set update the password. The person has everything okay, then update the password where user customer email is equal to user, because we need to specify, we need to define the user, the specific user that is updating their account. That's it. Control S to save, and now come here, refresh the page. If someone clicks without entering anything, it will say please fill out this field, because HTML5 validation is there. If we say something wrong, any wrong password, and click this, so we have to actually fill all the fields. Now I have wrongly added some details, because we have a password same here, SEM. So I have wrongly added some things. I click, it will say your current password is wrong. Okay, current password is right now, SEM. Now new password is basically Wali, but in the last one I will just write anything wrong. So after that I will click change. It says new password do not match, so that's mean it's okay. Now once again same, then Wali, and then Wali. Now we are going okay, so it should change or update the password. I will click change password. It is saying your password was updated successfully. Okay, that's fine, and we have taken back to the main page, my underscore account. So we need to check it whether it has updated or not. This is the same, it should be now Wali. We will just refresh it by clicking browse. Oh, you can see that's great, Wali, because we have updated the password. Now the last part for this account will be deleting this account, and we can also add a logout button over here very simply by going to this my account page, and simply we can copy this whole thing and can add another one, logout. So the customer will have two logout options, logout, and we will directly say logout.php. Control S to save. We have already this page created, logout.php. Refresh, you can see another link here. So now the customer can log out from here as well as from here. So that's done. Now the one thing, delete account is remaining, this one. So we can also work on this in next lecture. After that we will straight go to the admin panel for this whole project, for this whole website. Actually this link is not working. When we click this, we need to actually correct it, because the links will not now work. Just we will say double dot and then backslash. That means it is outside the outside the this directory. This is also outside that directory. Now refresh, you click this, basically we'll say e-commerce backslash index.php. Click. Oh sorry, this is basically the logo. I'm changing this home. This is here the logo. So you just need to enter two dots and backslash. I have Control S to save. Now refresh, you click this, so it will take us to this home website. Because that is outside the directory. We have put that my underscore account here inside the customer folder, and the main index page is inside the main e-commerce directory. So that's it. Now we can go to this account as well. So this is the whole website that we have created, and we have a cart as well. Someone can add the product and can go to cart and can see and can remove products from here. For example, I will add 3 products and I will go there, 2 products. When I click this, I can just update and that will go. So this is also done. Now person can log out, can log in. This is also there, the login form, the registration form is also there. Customers can register their account, and after they register they can directly go to their account I mean, someone say something like add their address, I mean email address and their password, so they can directly go to this, I mean, page which is payment page, so they can directly pay via PayPal, and also they can go to their account after logged in. So we have now, last thing we will work in next lecture, or this delete account function, or here we will create a script for this, and after that we will straight go to create the admin panel for this whole website, for this whole project, so we can directly, I mean, change the content, I mean, add the categories, add brands, add products, delete products, edit products, and things like that. So we all that be doing inside the admin panel. Stay tuned.